Hello friends, in this session I am going to show you how to load flat file or CSV data into database using IICS. First we need to log in IICS, go to data integration, click on new button, here mapping, just select mapping and create. It will open window like this. Here I am changing the name and location default as it is. By default source window added here. Change the source and product file. Go to source, connection details. Here you need to select input file, location. This already I have explained how to create a flat file and database connection in previous video. I will place that link in the description. Please watch it. The object is single object. You can use it to file list command parameter. This I will explain later one by one. And object, select the file location where the file is placed. File path is selected. So select product.csv. Click OK. And all the fields are displayed after selecting like this. This is file selection. Then target. Go to target, click here, select connection Oracle. So select object type, the param object is select here, select your project schema, and inside we need to select table name. I am selecting product S here. In between, look at this data here. The file has 3 columns, whereas table has 4 columns, which is load date is extra. So that means every day job is running, that load date is going to load into this column. So how to add this column in IICS? First we need to add, there is 3 dots, select expression, all the transformation. I am selecting expression. This is expression transformation. In the expression transformation, it is coming income fields and expression. First we need to create expression. So here I am taking input field and type string. This is output field. So in the expression I am just giving my condition like to date, to care of system date, the format. So click validate. Expression is valid. Click OK. Now expression has been created. Go to your target. Select field mapping. These are the source columns data and this is expression data. These are the target columns data. You need to map it each column wise. Just drag and drop from like this. Okay, and then save it and click this icon to validate your mapping. The mapping is valid. Just click run. I have already loaded the data like this here. Once load the data into target, we will see how it will display. See, before that, what is the target option here? Truncate and target. So means once this job is completed, existing data will be deleted, the fresh data will be loaded. Let's run this job. Runtime environment. This one. The mapping already created. This is already I explained how to create a runtime environment also. I will place that link in the description. Please watch it. Click run. Go to my job. It is starting. It will take some time to successfully completed. Job is successfully completed. Rows processed 8 and status success. Let's run the table data. See, 8 records loaded and the load date is current date, which is 23. So this is all about SCD type 1 data loading. This video is helpful for the next video which I'm going to explain ETL testing. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it my content, please like, share, subscribe to my channel to get more real-time scenarios. Thank you.